5 seconds to go. Start. Joint attack and stealing of the jewels and cash, in which he stated that he, A2 Ganeshan, Shahjahan, Shanmugam and another person were there. It is submitted that based on the aforesaid confession and recovery of an iron rod and the information obtained in the confession of A2, there were recoveries and arrest of the other accused. In support of the submission that the confessional statement can be relied upon on certain circumstances, reliance is placed in the case of Raju Manjhi versus State of Bihar 2019-12 SCC 784. It is submitted that the witnesses have identified some of the accused in the court and at the same time some of the other accused have been arrested by the information obtained from confession statements. It is submitted that even otherwise non identification of all the accused by the witnesses would not vitiate the case of prosecution, especially in cases of robbery and dacoity. It is further submitted by learned counsel for the state that as per the settled proposition of law, the person charged with a heinous or grave offence can be punished for a less grave offence of cognate nature. Reliance is placed on Rafiq Ahmad versus State of UP 2011-8 SCC 300 and K. Prema S. Rao versus Yadla Srinivasa Rao 2003-1 SCC 217. It is submitted that in the present facts of the case, the charge was rightly framed for the offences under section 395 read with section 397 IPC, and the ingredients for the offences have been proved by the prosecution beyond reasonable doubt, even as otherwise in the alternative the conviction of the accused under section 397 IPC can be sustained. Making the above submissions, it is prayed to dismiss the present appeals. Here the learned counsels for the respective parties at length. Present appeals have been preferred by the original accused number 1 Ganeshan and accused number 3 Shanmugam alias Babu, challenging their conviction for the offence under section 397 IPC. At the outset, it is required to be noted that as such there are concurrent findings recorded by the learned trial court, learned sessions court and the high court on presence of the accused at the time of commission of the offence and their active involvement. Their presence at the time of commission of the offence has been established and proved by the prosecution by examining the relevant witnesses during the course of trial. PW1 Durasamy, PW2 Planiwell and PW3 Arvind Kumar are 3 eyewitnesses, out of which PW1 and PW2 are the injured eyewitnesses. We have gone through in detail the deposition of relevant witnesses, more particularly PW1, PW2 and PW3. Stop.